So after I went to New York, I cut across to Ohio, and I got to meet up with a girl that I have not seen since 1985. Diana and I, we toured together in the Air Force's entertainment show, which is Tops and Blue, and I was on that in '85. And I hadn't seen Diana since, and that was just another interesting time together. We didn't have a whole lot of time, but she took me to an open mic, and she asked me if I did any Dolly. And I had been working on this song because I've never played it, ever. And then I heard a version of it where someone took the 45 of this song and they put it at 33 1/3 and played it. And it sounded good. It really did sound good. And when I heard that, I'm like, there's possibility here. So I think I kind of split the difference between the 45 speed and the 33 1/3 speed on this one. But this is a great song. This is one of Dolly's earlier hits. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You can have your choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Jolene, Jolene.